Hello there, everyone. This is Fact to Tell, your personal guide to the world of fascinating facts. Today, we're embarking on a refreshing journey into the world of mint. We'll be sharing 10 interesting and fun facts about this aromatic herb. Trust me, by the end of this video, mint will not just be a flavor for you anymore. And remember, we've got a surprise fact waiting for you at the end. So, without further ado, let's delve right into the world of mint. Mint, a name that conjures up a refreshing image, doesn't it? Now let's dig a bit deeper into the world of this aromatic herb. Mint, botanically known as mentha, is believed to have gotten its name from a mythical Greek character, Mintha. With over 25 species and countless varieties, mint is incredibly diverse, ranging from the well-known peppermint and spearmint to the lesser-known apple mint and chocolate mint. This versatile herb has carved a niche for itself in various domains. In the culinary world, it's loved for its cooling flavor, making it a star ingredient in numerous dishes and drinks. The medicinal field appreciates mint for its therapeutic properties, helping relieve ailments like indigestion and cold. Even the cosmetic industry is smitten by mint, harnessing its refreshing scent in a myriad of products. Now, let's start unveiling the hidden facts about this amazing herb. Fact number 1. Did you know that mint has a long history? Yes, indeed. This aromatic herb has been around longer than some of the oldest civilizations. It's believed that mint was used by the ancient Egyptians as far back as 3,000 years ago. They utilized it in their traditional medicine and also in their famous mummification process. Fast forward to ancient Rome, mint was a crucial part of their culinary and medicinal practices. The Romans were known to use mint in their sauces, wines, and to freshen up their breath. Let's not forget the ancient Greeks who mythologized mint in their legends. According to one tale, a nymph named Mintha was turned into the mint plant. This tale has led to the Greek tradition of using mint to show hospitality to guests. So, from Egypt to Rome to Greece, mint has been a part of human history in various ways. Ancient yet evergreen, isn't it? Moving on to fact number 2. Mint is not just a single plant. It's a whole family of plants, a verdant clan if you will, with over 25 species and hundreds of varieties. Each member brings something unique to the table. For instance, there's peppermint, a hybrid variety known for its strong, crisp flavor and cooling sensation. Then we have spearmint, loved for its sweet, less pungent taste. It's the preferred choice for culinary use. There's also apple mint, with its fruity aroma and fuzzy leaves, and chocolate mint, which, yes, you guessed it, has a subtle chocolatey undertone. And let's not forget about pennyroyal, the smallest member of the mint family, but by no means the least significant. Its strong minty aroma was once used to ward off pests. So, whether it's adding flavor to our dishes, freshening our breath, or keeping the bugs at bay, each type of mint has its own special role to play. Variety is indeed the spice of life, or should we say the mint of life. Fact number 3. Mint has a unique way of spreading. This refreshing herb isn't just a culinary delight, but also a true garden warrior. Its secret weapon? An aggressive growing pattern. You see, mint plants don't just grow upwards towards the sun, they also expand horizontally, sending out runners that quickly colonize new ground. These runners, or stolons, as the botanists like to call them, creep along the surface of the soil, extending the mint's territory. Wherever these runners touch down, they sprout a new plant, creating a lush carpet of mint in no time. It's like mint's own version of the game Capture the Flag, except in this case, it's Capture the Garden. So if you're planning to add mint to your garden, you might want to give it its own space. Unless you want a minty takeover. A real garden conqueror, don't you think? For our 4th fact, mint is a powerhouse of health benefits. Now, it's time to talk about mint in a different light, not just as a flavor enhancer or a breath freshener, but as a source of multiple health benefits. Mint leaves, you see, are packed with nutrients. They are rich in vitamin A, which is essential for eye health, and they have a good amount of fiber, which aids in digestion. Looking for natural ways to soothe your headaches? Mint leaves can come to your rescue. The strong aroma of mint can be a quick and effective remedy for nausea and headaches. And that's not all. Mint also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help you combat seasonal allergies. Mint leaves are also known for their calming effects. A cup of mint tea can help reduce stress and promote sleep. So it's not just a plant, it's a mini medicine cabinet. So mint is not just about taste, it's about health too. Fact number 5. Mint is a natural pest repellent. Yes, you heard that right. This fragrant herb does more than just adding a refreshing touch to your meals and drinks. It serves as an effective and natural shield against pests. Mint's strong aroma is its secret weapon. This scent, which we find invigorating and fresh, is rather overwhelming for many insects and pests. They tend to avoid areas where mint is abundant. So, if you're dealing with a pest problem in your garden, consider planting some mint. It could deter unwanted visitors like ants, mosquitoes, and even mice. However, it's crucial to remember that mint is a vigorous grower and could potentially invade other areas of your garden if left unchecked. So be sure to plant it in a contained area or in pots. Proving its versatility yet again, mint goes beyond culinary uses and diving into pest control. Mint, the natural defender of your garden. Moving on to fact number 6. Mint has a special place in mythology. The origin of mint traces back to the ancient Greeks. According to Greek mythology, mint was not always a plant. She was a nymph named Minthe, who was so beautiful that Hades, the god of the underworld, fell in love with her. This didn't sit well with Persephone, Hades' wife, who in a fit of rage turned Minthe into a plant that people would constantly tread on. But Hades, unwilling to let his beloved suffer, gave the plant a delightful aroma so that she would be noticed and appreciated. And hence, the mint plant was born. This myth is said to symbolize the enduring nature of love, even in the face of adversity. While we can't verify the truth of this ancient tale, we can surely relish the refreshing flavor and aroma that mint brings to our lives. Mythical, yet factual, isn't it? For our 7th fact, mint has a unique chemical property. This delightful plant is packed with a compound called menthol. Now, menthol is what gives mint its distinctive cooling and refreshing sensation. It's not just a flavor, but an experience that engages more than just your taste buds. Here's a fascinating tidbit. Menthol actually tricks your brain into feeling cool. Yep, you heard that right. It stimulates the cold-sensitive receptors in your skin without actually providing a drop in temperature. It's like your own personal winter wonderland right there on your tongue. Menthol is also the reason why mint is often used in cough drops and balms. It has a soothing effect and can help clear up congestion, providing relief from a stuffy nose and a scratchy throat. So next time you enjoy a minty treat, remember it's not just the taste you're enjoying, but a little bit of cool chemistry too. So that's the secret behind the refreshing sensation. Fact number 8. Mint plays a role in the beauty industry. Mint's vibrant, refreshing scent and cooling sensation have won it a prime spot in the world of beauty and skincare. This humble herb is packed with a treasure trove of benefits that go beyond just your mojitos and mint chocolates. Mint is a well-loved ingredient in a range of products, from face masks to shampoos, body washes to lip balms. It's the menthol in mint that gives it that signature cooling effect, a sensation that's not just refreshing, but also helps soothe irritated skin. Plus, with its natural antimicrobial and antifungal properties, mint can help keep your skin healthy and free from blemishes. And let's not forget mint's potential in the realm of oral care. Mint-flavored toothpaste, anyone? It's no wonder that this versatile herb continues to be a favorite among beauty enthusiasts and skincare gurus. Beauty and mint, a refreshing combo, isn't it? And there you have it. 8 fascinating facts about mint. We've journeyed from its humble beginnings to its wide-ranging uses today, uncovering some truly remarkable tidbits along the way, from its ancient medicinal uses to its role in culinary delights, to its surprising environmental benefits. We've seen that mint is more than just a fresh breath remedy. It's a plant with a rich history and an even richer future. This is Fact to Tell, signing off. Stay curious, stay informed,